Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Karima. I am back for another video. Today's video is basically going to be what I brought my daughter from Walmart for her Easter basket, and I'm going to show you her Easter basket as well. Today is Friday and Easter is Sunday, right? Is it this Sunday or next Sunday? Is next Sunday? Are you sure?
Alexa, when is Easter?
Easter is 2 days away. This Sunday.
What?
Okay, you guys. So, we're gonna have to begin, but I mean, it's okay because of everything that's going on with coronavirus. It's okay.
If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. 2 if you want, so you gotta like it, and unlike it, and then like it again, and get 2 likes. No, it don't work like that. But, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time that I upload. And we're gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna show you all what I purchased from Walmart for my daughter's Easter basket and her. You know what? Since he's moving, I'm gonna show y'all him first. This is, look at that tail. Okay. This is a little clownfish, but honestly, I'm gonna call it Nemo because she likes Nemo. And when she get in the tub, she don't have like much toys. And then I think she has a penguin one like this. Yeah, she has a penguin one like this. So I got her this one, the clownfish, so she can, you know, yeah, like that. Just like that, and then the tail goes, and I guess the fish swims in the water. But yeah, she really likes Nemo, so I got her the clownfish. Got her a frozen rag, they call it a magic towel, but basically you drop it into water, and it expands into a frozen rag. But this is the rag that I got. I got her some sand toys. Yes, we are nowhere near beaches. We are in Georgia, and I don't like that part about living here. But we'll more than likely probably go to a beach this summer, hopefully after all of this is over. So yeah, I got this from Walmart. This was $2 as well, and it comes with a little mermaid tail cup holder and then a scooper. And then honestly guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what that part is, but this I know is a shovel, and this is just put the shovel inside or make like mermaid tails in the sand, I guess. But I got her this, and she can play with this in the tub in her bath as well. And I got her a frozen cup. I brought her this, and it has Elsa on the top of it, and then like Elsa and Anna and Olaf. Olaf is really her favorite, honestly, but they're on the cup, and it says change is in the air. Then I got her some fluffy stuffed cotton candy flavored lip balm. She loves to play in chapstick, so I got her her own chapstick that she can play with. And I got her a color and stick Minnie Mouse egg, and it comes with 1 roll of activities. Why don't we read these things? We just keep picking it up because it's cute. A sheet and 5 crayons. So this is what comes in it. Let me try to get it close so you can see it. I got her some Paw Patrol chalk, and it has like the chalk holder, so when she holds it, it doesn't get all over her hands. This would be cool for the summer because when we go to the park. The next thing I got, which I thought was really cute. Okay, so it's an egg accessory kit, and it says less mess, 1 child's apron, 1 plastic tablecloth, and 1 set of adult and children gloves. So it comes with all of that, and I think this was like $3 for this. But it's really cute because it sets the Easter theme since we're home and we're not going anywhere. And it comes with the apron. I thought it'd be really cute, and I'll vlog this as well just so you all can see it. But this is so cute. I love it. I also got an Easter egg DIY No cooking required. Bright color, non-toxic dye. 100% recyclable Easter eggs with 12 pieces. It includes 12 plastic eggs, 4 liquid dye packages, and 4 dyeing bags. I also got this, and I thought that it was really cute because the bunny was on it. He was so cute. So I got some bunny rabbit lollipops. And it comes with all flavors of the rainbow. And I'm gonna put this inside of her little basket too. This was $1. And I got her some sticker time. I got her some sticker time sticker face. It's a bunch of stickers. You see the bunny ears, the whiskers, the eyes, the nose. You dress them. You see, they empty. And then you can put the bunny tail on him or his face. You can put his face on. This is really cute. I like this. Also, I got Frozen Jumbo Coloring Activity Book, asking adults to help and carefully put along the dotted lines. Oh, and it's a stand-up character basically in the back. Olaf is in the back of the book. Next, she got a butterfly book. I had to get it because I seen it, and that's her nickname for me. It's a color and activity book, includes shape crayons and over 30 stickers. Oh wow, that is so cool. I did not know that. You see, I need to stop shopping like that. This is so pretty. So the crayons is literally shaped into the butterfly. Like, oh my God, that is so cute. Jelly beans to put inside of these eggs. We're gonna go Easter egg hunting in the house since we are quarantined and cannot go outside. So we're gonna be using these and these. I might add some like to the back porch and then like make a maze or something. I don't know. Just try to get it creative for her to get her some energy out of her. Also got some Easter grass. I got her a whole bag of egg hunt thingies with candies. It comes with egg candies already in it. And this is SpongeBob, Paw Patrol, and Teen Mutant Ninja Turtles. And then I got her a pack of Fancy Nancy panties. It's going inside of her basket. She's really in love with Fancy Nancy right now, as I stated before. Let me just check to make sure she's okay. These look like the same. Oh, she got it in her room. We'll see. But I got her some Fancy Nancy, and they are so cute. You see that? Fancy Nancy drawers. I'm holding my kid drawers up. Okay. I got her some Fancy Nancy panties. This book says all ears. I like the way that they have the felt bunny ears on top. They have felt bunny ears on top of the book, and they have the bunny face, and then inside of it, the bunny, you know, it's a story, but the bunny is making different faces each time, which is really cute. And last but not least, I got her Easter basket. It is so cute. I was trying to decide which one to get her. They had a unicorn one in there, but it was like a really hot dark pink, and I was like, it's not really Easter colors. But this one says Happy Easter, and then it has like a little chicken on it, a little chick. And then the basket looks like it was like a light wood, but they brushed it with white paint. And I thought that was really cute. And then on the inside, it has polka dots, like a really cute pastel, bright, you know, basket. That's what Easter is, bright. But the basket I seen in Walmart, it wasn't so bright. So I just got this one. But this is pretty. And I know that she's going to have a ball on Easter. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I really all hope that you enjoy Easter, spending that quality time with your family. Don't forget to laugh with them, love them, hug them, kiss on them, and just be there and live in the moment. But yeah, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys after